Welcome to Assiniboine Library's NoodleTools video tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to cite a web page. Note that reference elements like author name or publication date aren't always found in the same place on each web page, and some reference elements may not be provided. Also note that it's helpful to have the web page open while adding the reference to NoodleTools. To add sources to a reference list in NoodleTools, we first have to create a project. If you've already created a project for your assignment, you'll skip the following step and simply click the project title to open it. From the My Projects home screen, click the New Project button and enter a project title. The library recommends using your assignment name as the title of your project. This makes it easy for you to match the reference list to your assignment, especially once you have multiple projects created in NoodleTools. For our example today, we'll use Academic Integrity Paper. Once the project title is entered, click the Submit button. Your newly created project will now display on the project home screen. To add sources to the project, click the project title. Click the New Source button. Since the information we're referencing is located on a website, we'll select the website option from the list. The source of information is a web page, so we'll select the web page option from the list of source types. The editing form opens where we can now enter all available details about the web page we're citing. If we go to the web page and scroll through its contents, we see that the details are located in a variety of places on the page and not all elements are provided. The reference elements included are the URL, the author name, in this case a group author. Web pages can have an individual author, a company or organization author, known as a group author, or no author at all, and the web page title. Note that a publication date isn't provided. Each element can simply be copied from here and pasted into the appropriate field in NoodleTools. For example, we'll copy and paste the web page title into NoodleTools. Be aware that reference elements copied from web pages might not be formatted according to APA style standards. It's important to review the copied and pasted information to make sure it's formatted correctly. One of the great things about NoodleTools is it will usually notify us when it detects an error in formatting. However, it doesn't always detect errors, so it's up to you to verify the formatting is correct. But don't worry, NoodleTools helps remind us what the formatting rules are by providing helpful tips for each field. When a field is selected, an information icon displays. Click the icon to open the tip for that particular element of the reference. For example, here we see that NoodleTools reminds us that all significant words in the website name should be capitalized. It also tells us not to include the website name if it's the same as the author. If we go back to our copied web page title, we see NoodleTools displays a warning icon. When we click in the field, the warning tells us what error is detected and makes suggestions on how to fix it. Pay close attention to the capitalization in both the web page title and website name fields. These are the two pieces of information that most commonly have formatting errors when copied from a web page. When a web page is written by a group author, the author name is entered in the last name or group field. If a web page is written by more than one author, simply click the Add Contributor button to display another set of author fields. Add as many authors as is required. Once you've entered all available information and are confident that the formatting is correct, click the Save button. Your source will now display in the reference list. That concludes this tutorial on citing a web page. Watch our other videos in this series for further guidance on using NoodleTools.